In this video, I will show you how to download and install an app on your Hisense TV. But before we start, I would kindly ask you to like this video and subscribe to the channel so we can create even more helpful videos for you. Now, back to the topic of the video. To download and install any app on your Hisense TV, the first step is to obviously turn on your TV and locate the bar with many pre-installed apps. Once you have located it, we need to scroll through and find the app called App Store, which is usually closer to the end of this line of apps. Once you have located it, use your remote to click directly on it. What this will do is open the Hisense Vita App Store, which is pretty much the only official way to download and install apps on a Hisense smart TV. Here, you will find a wide selection of apps that are available for download on your TV, so you can browse through them and maybe find something useful. However, if you want to download a specific app, you will need to locate the search icon in the upper right corner of the screen and then just click on it. In the search bar, you can try to find the app you want to download and see if it is available for download on your TV. Now, I do not need to download anything specific, so let us assume I just got interested in one of the already available apps on the home page of the App Store. Let us click on any of them, which will bring us to a new window. To start installing the app, you need to press the Download or Install button. It will depend on whether the app is already downloaded, but not installed yet, or not downloaded at all. After clicking on that, it will take anywhere from a couple of seconds up to 1 minute for the app to get installed. After that, to find this app, you will need to return to the home page of your Hisense TV and locate the app bar once again. Here, just look for the newly installed app. It will either appear right at the front of the line or be sorted in alphabetical order. If this video was helpful, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel, and see you in the next one.